Silhouette cutting machines are great for cutting out intricate shapes that are much too small to do by hand. This saves a lot of time when you have a locomotive to paint, especially if you have multiple locomotives to do. I begin by measuring the window openings with a digital caliper. I measure the width and height of each window opening and write down the dimensions on a notepad. I also measure the short hood so I can make a mask for the yellow trim around the edge of the hood. Then I take the dimensions to my computer and make a CAD drawing of each window opening. If you don't have CAD, you can take your dimensions directly to the Silhouette Studio and start drawing them out. Here is my CAD drawing of the window openings and the short hood mask for the Proto 2000 GP30 locomotive.